Hello kids, today we are going to learn English alphabets with their phonic sounds. Aeroplane, aeroplane, apple, apple, ant, ant. Beer, beer, butterfly, butterfly, bird, bird. C car, car. C cat, cat. C cake, cake. D dog, dog. D drum, drum. D duck, duck. Elephant, elephant. Exercise, exercise. Egg, egg. F for fish, for fish. F for frog, for frog. F for flower, for flower. Guitar, guitar. Grapes, grapes. Goat, goat. Hen, hen. Horse, horse. House, house. Igloo, igloo. Ink, ink. Ice cream, ice cream. Jacket, jacket. Joker, joker. Jump, jump. Kangaroo, kangaroo. Keys, keys. Kite, kite. Lion, lion. Ladder, ladder. Lamp, lamp. Monkey, monkey. Moon, moon. Mouse, mouse. And nest, nest. And nose, nose. And nail, nail. Orange, orange. Octopus, octopus. Ostrich, ostrich. Parrot, parrot. Pumpkin, pumpkin. Pencil, pencil. Quack, queen, queen. Quack, quill, quill. Quack, quiet, quiet. Rabbit, rabbit. Rocket, rocket. Rainbow, rainbow. Sun, sun. Socks, socks. Snake, snake. T ta train, ta ta train. T ta tiger, ta ta tiger. T ta telephone, ta ta telephone. Tring tring, tring tring. Who are you? You a umbrella, a umbrella. You a under, under. You a umpire, a umpire. We were van, were van. We were vulture, were vulture. We were vegetable, were vegetables. W were watch, were watch. W were wall, were wall. W were watermelon, were watermelon. X Xmas tree, Xmas tree. X X-ray, X-ray. X xylophone, xylophone. Y yacht, yacht. Y yoga, yoga. Y yak, yak. Zebra, zebra. Zigzag, zigzag. Zoo, zoo. Hey kids, so here our topic about alphabet phonic is finished now. Hope you learned from this video. Do like and subscribe my video and please keep watching. Thank you.